Hi everybody, it's Julie. We're going to do one more video here from the kitchen this week. And so starting with Dollar Tree, I finally found some of the makeup brushes. These ones are the foundation brush. And so I have the really thin one. I've been getting them at Dollar General, but they're $2 at Dollar General. Dollar Tree, of course, they're $1. So I picked those up. Then I was at Joann's and I finally picked up some Tim Holtz tiny attacher thingies. And from Dollar General, I picked up these class of 2021 napkins. My granddaughter is graduating and I want to make her an album. Actually, it is going to be a mini album, and then also for a couple of the other kids. And I found the 2021 confetti. You guys, I picked this up because I use this all year as soon as I can find it. So so that is the foil confetti that says 2021. You'll see it in my projects from now on. You'll see it show up. And then I picked up some seeds and I'm going to plant them. But if you saw my first journaling from in the garden journal for this year, I cut these and use them in the journal. So just so if you're looking for some fun seed packets, they're like 4 for $1 and 2 for $1, and you get seeds too. So that is all that. And then I went to Michael's. Let's go ahead and pull this stuff out of the way. Okay, so I have a little Michael's haul. I picked up the watercolors. I picked up some of the glassine bags. They had this cute pink note, pink or peach, depending on what you put it with. The little pink dot treat bags, the little, you get 20 of them in there. You get 25 in the glassine bags. And these are over with the bakery stuff. You see them here with cookies in them. I did pick up some of the gold doilies that I like. Also, their coupon was 20% off all regular price items. I picked up several of the glue that I like. Several. Okay. Another gold and another silver. I won't be going back for a while, so I got some little treat bags. These are 2.5 by 4, and there's 25 in there. I think they were $1.99. This tag pad, and it's travel. And these little brown Celebrate It bags. Another thing I got were these. I thought those were fun. I might use them in my DIY stuff. Maybe for some magnets or something, but they were in here. I had picked these up, and actually I got these 50% off. But I got them because of the little chicks. There's eggs and bunnies in there too. But the little chicks, I figured I could use those all year. So I got those. And then I got this to try it in one of my tray holders. If it fits, then I'll go back and get more. These were at 99 cents, I believe. And then I got 3 rubber stamps because you know I need more rubber stamps. I got a rooster. It was $3. Regularly, these were like $9 and $10. I got the, I think it's a cardinal. It's a bird. But I liked it. And I got a fairy. $3. They were $3 each. So I picked those up. That was my treat. And actually my real treat was I picked up the Somerset Studio. And it is full of amazing, amazing ideas. Amazing papers. There's exercise things to do in here. This is a paper. This is a paper. So really, really lots of cool ideas for collaging and making things and just letting your imagination go. And so Somerset Studio, again, that was my splurge. I did this trip the day that I went and did the thing. And I'm finally showing it to you so that I can put that stuff away and so I can play with it. So have you found anything really good out there lately? Let us know in the comments down below. And I hope you're having an amazing day. And I hope you find something to celebrate every day. Have an amazing day. I'll see you tomorrow. Bye. Bye-bye.